Alrighty, this is the video tutorial for the exercises for CodeHS beginner level 2.9, which is HTML styling. A lot of this, again, we did cover in Unit 2, so a lot of this is going to be revisiting. So again, I'm going to jump into the exercise. As always, please watch the video, answer the quiz, take a look at the example there, but we are going to jump into background colors. All right, so let's take a look at our assignment. All right, we'll use the style attribute to add background color to every tag on the page. You'll be able to see how much space is taken up by each tag because the entire background for that tag will be colored. Great. All right, the background color for the body tag has been set for light blue. So this is doing inline styling, so we will get to do inline styling, I believe. So use the style attribute to add background color to each tag. So it looks like we should be able to do internal CSS, I believe. I'm going to do that because it's going to be quicker. All right, so H1 should have a background color of chartreuse. Okay. UL. OL. Medium purple. H2. Color. Yeah. Okay. Go to our output. There we go. And it gave us credit. Good deal. So we are done with that. So again, it was just a matter of adding that style section for an internal CSS. All right, so we are ready to continue. Okay, so this one asks us to copy your HTML from the class planning exercise into here, then add styles. Let's see, in this, so lesson 7 HTML list. So I'm going to jump over to lesson 7, class planning. So I'm going to need to come here and copy that. Now I'm going to come back to HTML styling. All right. So we're going to add a background color for the body. It doesn't tell me what I have to do. So again, I'm going to create some internal styling. So I'm going to do a style tag in the head, open, close. Background color. Let's do light gray, and let's just make sure that works. Okay, that works. Make the headers font size 36. So we'll do H1 36. Change the color of each outer list item. So we did not nest anything. So we will just do, in this case, UL. And let's just make that red. Any other styles you want to add? I think we get the point. So let's see how that looks. All right, we should be done. Oh, H1 font size. It is 36. So this might be one. Change the font color of at least of 5 list items. You must style. So I must have not read anything. Okay, I did not. So these directions wants each item to be a different color. That is tedious. Make the class you're most excited about bold and italic. We can go in and do that. So I really used to really like financial literacy. Let's just, since this is the class we're teaching, I could do a B tag in front and a B tag after to make it bold. And then to also make it italic, I could also do an EM in front. And an EM after. So I'm adding bold and the emphasis. If I go back, Intro to Software Technology is now bold and italicized. If I want to make one each color, a different color, that is kind of a pain. But let's say I do that. I would have to go into each one individually, do style equals quote color yellow, and I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it to the other 4, so I'll leave the one that is red. And this is also a good demonstration of the cascading. So this inline rule will actually overwrite this style rule. So I'm going to do yellow, blue, green, and let's just leave that one black. All right, so I changed my colors. So I'm going to continue anyway because I did everything it asked me to do. So I use bold instead of strong, but I have the ultimate effect it wanted. That's good enough. I do have the H1. Inline styling we could have done, but we have moved past that in the big picture. So this is good enough. So as long as you have a background color, 5 different colors for your classes, one of them is bold and italicized, you're good to go. All right. All right. And that will go ahead and end lesson 9.